Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. For today I have the PAT MCGRATH Volume 2 Bridgerton. I'm super excited, so let's get started. This is the Volume 2 and I've got the Volume 1 as well. I want to know what are the differences. Is it worth it to buy the second one or is it a lot like the first one? So we're going to find out together. So these are the swatches of the first palette. Here's the champagne color. This is the light pink and then the blue shimmer. So the top row. Then we have the taupe color with the metallic in it. And this is the darker shade pink in the palette. So this is the second palette. So the champagne color is more noticeable than the first champagne. Just saying. This color is this one. And it has a slightly different tone than on the first palette. It is more cool toned than warm toned. So they kept in mind that it has to be a little bit different than the first palette. So this is more warm toned. So this is the second palette. So this is more warm toned and this one is more cool toned, as you can see. So then we've got that blue shimmer from the first one. And they have now a champagne pink toned one. This is super gorgeous. This one is the taupe color and I don't know if there is a lot of difference between those two. Yeah, there is a difference. On the first palette it was cool toned and on the second palette it is warm toned. So that's the only difference, but in color wise they are almost the same. Then we have this one from the first palette, the chrome taupey one, and this is a chrome bluish greenish one, and I really love this one. It is really gorgeous. And then we've got the last one. It's a black with a golden metallic in it. I really love that. And here it was just a pink with a shimmer. So that are the differences between the two palettes. Let's get started with an eye look. So let's get started with that mauvey color from the palette and put that in here. And I'm just bouncing it on for the color payoff, and the color payoff is there. I really like that. It has a little bit kick up in the pen. I don't mind it that much, but that you know. And I thought it was with the first palette as well. There is a little bit of kick up in the pen. I'm picking up with the same brush that second color from top. So the middle color, it's that pinky one. And I am going to blend it together with the mauvey one. That plays very nice together. So back in with that mauvey just to make sure that the pigment is still here and not that it's going to run somewhere. And then is the fact with this palette there is just one matte color. Then we've got a semi shiny color. That's the second color that I used. And then we've got four metallic colors, which two of them are glittery. So just to see what kind of look we are going to make today. So I'm going in with the taupe color and I am placing that right into my inner corner. And with a little brush like this, it's super easy just to go in. I'm just wiped it off a little bit on a towel. So it is not clean. The color is still in there a little bit. But that doesn't mind because I'm going in with that second color again. And just going to blend this very softly and carefully over here. Just scratch that edge. Just to blend everything out even more. Like so. Then, before I go further, I get that nice and taupey color and swoop that around the lower edge. For the next step, I am taking a bigger brush by Natasha Denona and I am going in with that first color. Ooh, that is very pretty, very pigmented. Oh, I'm not mad at this at all. I think I found my favorite color. This is really a pretty highlighter eyeshadow color. I really love this. But I want to take it up a notch. So I'm going in with my middle finger and going to place that really gorgeous rosy color on top. And this is life. This is what I was looking for in a PAT MCGRATH palette. And this is maybe something I missed in that previous palette. This is so gorgeous. Okay, the only thing what I see is now I have a lot of fallout on my face and I already powdered my face, so that's unfortunate. Nothing we can do about it anymore. So what I wanted to do is take that first color. Place this right in the middle. It is a gorgeous color. I really like this color a lot. And I'm picking up that rose gold with a little tiny brush. This is the brush 6 by Natasha Denona. And just place it right here. What I'm going to do is I'm picking up with that big brush that first highlighter color. And place it right here. So this is going to be a very light weight look. This one is more drama. Then I'm going in with that blue toned greenish color. This is really romantic. That pigment is really nice. On this moment I really feel like the Belle of the Ball. Just how that title is described on the palette. It is one metallic-y look. It is very simple. Also that. So it is simple, easy to do. Just swipe on 2 colors and go. That champagne color and the blue color has also a lot of fallout. So be prepared for that because you are glittery in your whole face. So it is a better option to do first your eye makeup and then the face makeup, because that is my biggest regret on this part, on this moment. So what I did, I took my face makeup off, my eye makeup off, because there were 2 looks what I did with this palette. But I want to do a 3rd look, and I want to use this pretty color. I'm obsessed with that color and I need to know how it looks on my eyes. I got my base ready for the beautiful golden color. I chose a smoky eye, black as hell. And now I'm going to apply that pretty golden color. Oh, and it is so gorgeous. The only thing is my finger is too thick. I'm picking it up by brush. placing it on that black, and oh wow, this is so gorgeous. This is next level. A little bit over that, on top of that brown. This is so not a smoky eye anymore. It transformed in a really glammed up eye. The pigmentation of this one, oh, it is so stunning. And on top of black, it really comes out. It really shows its true color. So as you can see, I am full with glitter everywhere. So I'm going to clean up my face, do my face makeup, lashes, and I'll be right back. This is the eye look. I did my face makeup, but I never did my lips because I've got this beauty. And this is the Venusian Peach. And I think I pronounced it wrong, but I don't care. I am so curious about this one because I never used a lipstick from PAT MCGRATH before. And this one is so cute with that little bow on. Yeah, it is a nude color because I love nude colors, and with a eye look like this, a nude color is in place. As you know, I never use lip liners with a lipstick because I want to know how they perform at their own. So here we go. That glides on very smoothly. It is indeed a nice peachy color, but not too peach. It is really buttery, but I feel like I have to work for the color payoff. But when the color is there, it is pretty, it is satiny, it has a little shine, and feels really like butter on your lips. It is really smooth, really gorgeous. This is a color that I would use every single day with every single makeup look. This was it for the PAT MCGRATH / Bridgerton First Impressions review. I hope you liked it. The question that I asked you, is it worth your money to buy the second palette? And the answer is yes, I think it is, because there are 3 colors that are maybe matching the first palette, but are different in warmth and tones. And there are 3 colors in it that really blew my mind, and this is definitely one of them. And this is also my favorite color on this moment, I think. So yeah, I think if you want it, just buy it because you need it. If you are mesmerized by this color in the palette itself, then buy it because it's worth the money. And the other colors as well. And for the lipstick, this one, it is nice, it is very beautiful, it has a little shine, and I love it. I am obsessed with the packaging because it has a little bow, but don't buy it only for the bow. If you do, it's also fine. If there is a product that you want me to review, please leave it down below in the comments and I will look into that so I can order the product and give you my honest opinion about the product. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, and if you didn't already, please subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!